start with everybody who's singing roots. 1, 2, 3.
1, 6, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 6. It's just a buzz. Hey, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. I'm feeling so
Still feels a little, you're just not sure where to put some of the things. Can we try this where you're just playing bass line?
Sure.
And just really, I don't want you to think, we're going to take it to the gym for a second, so don't worry about intention or being creative. Just really try and nail, where do I start each line? Where does it begin?
Just a walking bass line?
Yeah, just something really simple,
Okay.
just so that you can find those bird flying high.
I'm highway to hold you, feel my arms around you. How long I waited just to love you. Now that I found you, you got to look.
I want it to be able to scan a little bit, so let's just take something, a really simple chunk of material, and let's scan on it. Go look at the chart and see if you can figure out what key are you in. Well, that's just it. Do you want to sing? Don't ever go over and over again, or do you want to try and mix that up? Right? Is it?
Yeah, I need to mix it up.
Don't ever go.
Because all you have to do is go around the all.
I think that everyone should work with a metronome, whether you're playing the piano for yourself or the guitar for yourself. I think even if you have an iReal version and you're practicing with that, put that away, take out the metronome, find your key, and sing the song. You can hold it even. I made you do some jazz, can't do it.
Feel the beat. In her own sweet world, populated by dolls and clowns and a prince and a big purple bear.
It's hard to do. You can feel where you feel a little shaky yourself. I mean, you're feeling where, oh, okay, I was just a little bit off from that. And those places where you're feeling it, you're solid, you're with it. It's a way of solidifying. It's a way of finding, do I have it or don't I have it? It's a natural ability then that you have. I can feel your discomfort. I understand it. I live with a whole bunch of discomforts myself.
Yeah.
I get it. I get it. I so get it. Ann and I were talking yesterday about how hard it is sometimes.
Yeah, this is the reason why I came to this, was to break out, to say, if this is a little dream that I have, you have to start somewhere.
Yeah. Run with it.
Okay.
Run with it. You do have something special.
Your voice sounds amazing.
You do. You do have something special.
Okay, thank you.
And don't run away from it. Run towards it. Running. Look at me. I'm as help. And push it. It hurts. It will hurt over time. Look at me. I'm as helpless. It doesn't have to be, look at me. I'm as helpless. Just because it's low. All of those notes can stay on the shelf.
Yeah.
They can stay up. The other issue was that you were sort of holding it like this in front of you.
Not like ice cream.
Yeah, hold it like ice cream. It's better. We're gonna capture you better. you guys are singing Roots.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.